Live from NBC Studios in Rockefeller Center in the heart of New York City, it's The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon and Dominic. Tonight's guest is Farshad, featuring the 30 Rock and Rollers. I'm Victoria here, and you are our host, Jimmy Fallon and Dominic.
Thank you and welcome to The Tonight Show. Jimmy is stuck in the elevator, so you are stuck with me.
Seems like only a few minutes ago you were a tourist wandering the halls of this historic building.
You're right, because I was! And ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Victoria.
Aw, thank you. How are you doing, Dominic?
I am fantastic. We got a great show for you. One of my favorite actors, Farshad, is here, and then we're going to play a game. But first, let me give it up for the 30 Rock and Rollers. And now I'd like to introduce tonight's guest, who is currently filming a new blockbuster here in New York City. Please welcome Farshad.
How you doing?
Good. Farshad, how are you? Great to see you.
I'm great. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. Wow. Go ahead.
So I'm a huge fan, and I'm excited you're in town for the latest movie. Tell me about it.
Well, it's a big action film, and for the first time, I'm playing a villain, which has been a lot of fun.
Can you look into the camera and show the people at home your villain face? Ooh. Ooh, scary. I can't wait to see it on the big screen. So you are one of the biggest stars in the world with some of the most dedicated fans. We have a letter right here from one of them. Can you read it?
Sure. Wow. Dear Farshad, I remember you from when you were just a tour guest with a NBC Studio Tour pin and a dream. I'm excited to see you in your new movie, but my favorite role was your big break when you played a unicorn in the big show Blue Muffin with Donald. Look at me now, a guest in tonight's show. Stay grounded and remember where it all started. The shop at NBC Studio. Love, your biggest fan. Thank you.
Wow, that's so amazing.
I love my fans.
Well, thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see your new movie. Let's give it up for Farshad.
All right, you're welcome.
I want to thank the 30 Rock and Rollers, our amazing camera crew, our talented control room, the best sidekick in the business, Victoria, and of course, the talented Farshad.